Okay, still continuing with the vertical stabilizer. You see that I've got my fabric on there pretty nice. I'm pretty happy. There's a small amount of wrinkles here. That's not a big deal at all. I'm a lot happier with it now that I've gone ahead and added my foam here on the trailing edge. Okay, up here I've gone ahead and started cutting out. And like I said before, I'm going to deal with this as actually two different parts. You can see I have one cut out here that I'll treat as my first part, and then between the next gusset and the trailing edge, I'll go ahead and treat that as my second part. But I typically will start at the leading edge part, again, because if we end up with a few wrinkles down here at the back trailing edge, it's going to be underneath our horizontal stabilizer and our elevator, so you're really never going to see it. So I want to keep this leading edge as nice as possible, because this is the area that's going to be protruding in front of the horizontals. I've made my cutout on this because we're dealing with 1-inch tubing, about 1.25 inches from the top tangent point where the fabric meets the tubing, and I've made my slice. You have to be extra careful to burn this area here, because you know, where we're putting so much stress right here as we're pulling on it, we don't want this to stretch anymore. So I took my hot knife and melted that corner so that it won't tear anymore. And also, I have not cut this section. If you've seen some of the other pieces, I've just taken this to cut this out of the way. I don't want to do that on my vertical because, again, there is so much stress here. And also, I've gone ahead and just added a little hand clamp here to help hold it. I'll remove it and you'll see what the fabric wants to do. See, the fabric is pulled back on its own. To help make this a smoother transition all the way across this long area here, I take and stretch this back as far as I can by hand, and go ahead and clamp it either with a hand clamp or a C-clamp, anything that'll hold it as close to possible. Okay, next I'll go ahead and apply my double sticky tape to the bottom of my vertical here and wrap this area around, pulling 90 degrees to these wrinkles and make it as smooth as possible.